Here are 5 super easy ways that you can make more money inside of your store every single day. Hi, I'm Sarah Stonecipher from howtorunaretailstore.com, and we use these simple and easy tips every day inside of our store, and we watch them work every time. Number 1, strategic placement of your products. What does this mean? If you put a rack of beautiful bohemian dresses together on a display, do a bohemian jewelry display right next to it. Put your belts right next to your dressing room so that when people walk out and they say, man, I wish this dress had more of a waist, they are sitting right in front of them. Put a card display next to your candles. Candles make the most epic gift. They make the best thing to keep in your gift closet, so tell that story to your customers. We even put our essential oils right next to a display with a bunch of diffusers, and we sell that combo probably 20 times a day. All right, number 2, free gift wrap. We do super easy gift wrap. We have brown paper bags with this beautiful tissue paper. You can go and see in my Amazon store below, everything linked there. And I'm telling you, we have them all over the store, perfectly displayed with a sign that says free gift wrap. And why do we do this? Because we want to tell the consumer why that pair of earrings really would be a gift for their friend Susie, or why that candle is a great thing to just have at home as a just in case. It really helps to get people's mind into thinking that they can shop not just for themselves, but also for someone else, either for an immediate thing or just to keep on hand. All right, number 3, we have these tiny little chalk signs that we put our prices on that we include in our displays. This is a huge thing that is done in Europe. If you go to Europe and you're walking along any strip of stores, every single window will have the price signs in them. This is something that really isn't done in the United States. H&M does it occasionally, but usually you don't see that here. What does this do? It helps to break down the barrier that boutiques are so expensive, right? People who don't shop boutiques have a very strange idea that every dress in every boutique is $300. Well, if you tell them immediately from your windows or immediately as they walk in the store, no, actually this dress is only $80 and those earrings are only $30. They don't have to ask that question. They immediately will feel at ease, and it helps them to pull the trigger on items and get them in the door. All right, number 4, increase training in your dressing room space. Now, I have a whole video of all of our hacks that we use inside of our dressing room, so definitely check that out. But if you train your customers to really trust you and trust your sales staff, they will come back time and time again. There is a fine line between upselling and just selling things to people that they don't want. People can feel that, guys. So you want to make sure that you are creating and cultivating a relationship inside of the dressing rooms, the whole area, the entire dressing room area, and make sure it's fun, but also make sure that you're providing a service. This is why people are coming to boutiques and they're not going to Nordstrom, for the element of customer service. Tell them the truth, teach your employees exactly how people should dress, how different body styles look in different items. Equip them with knowledge so they can pass that on to the consumer. And if you can get customers into products that they actually fit their bodies and look good in their skin tone, I'm telling you, they will not only purchase from you once, but they will purchase from you time and time again. But only training can do that. It's super, super important. And lastly, number 5, this is so taboo, you guys, and I'm sure I'm gonna get comments below because this is like the great debate, but we did it inside of my store and I have never looked back. We got rid of all of my wooden hangers and converted to black felt hangers. Now, why did I do this? I ran the numbers one day, and by converting over, we were able to put 30% more product out on my sales floor. That's putting 30% more product out, but it's also getting all of that product out of my back room. And guess what? You can't sell it if it's in your back room. So it really streamlined our entire sales rack because it doesn't feel as bulky. You would think by putting all that additional product out, it would feel like we have so much additional product, but it didn't, you guys. I could not believe the difference it made inside of my store. It doesn't feel bulky, it doesn't feel overwhelming, and we give the customer more to choose from and more size options when products are out on the floor. So we did it, and I'm telling you, it has made a huge, huge difference on our sales floor. It's not for everybody, but it works so good for us. So even if you just buy a small run and test a rack out inside your store and see what I'm talking about, at least try it out because it has been a game changer for us. And more product out on the floor, more things for customers to choose from means they have more options to buy. All right, I hope those 5 items really helped you all in thinking how easy, small, incremental changes inside of your store can make you more money. Don't forget to go to howtorunaretailstore.com where we have tons and tons of information, everything from additional free downloads. Y'all, I have stuff on my website. If you've not been, I have free downloads on my website, secrets of the trade that no one in their right mind would give away for free. Like a list of all of my favorite vendors for every single department inside of my store. It's a free download on the front page of my website. But we also have great ebooks and e-courses. You can schedule Zoom calls with me, everything all in one place, our amazing Pinterest, our Amazon store, you name it. Head on over to howtorunaretailstore.com and we'll see you soon.